Good morning, YouTube, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. And one of my other hobbies is I'm an amateur astronomer, although I'm just in the very beginning stages of this hobby. And I have ordered a telescope, and I'm going to do an unboxing. And I used a telescope when I was in high school and when I was in college. And Celestron seemed to be a very good brand, so I went with the Celestron. And this is a Celestron 70mm Travel Scope DX Portable Refractor Telescope. And it is model number 22035. So let's see what we've got here. Celestron. One of the reasons that I ordered this particular telescope is it has the ability to plug into your cell phone and take pictures with your cell phone directly, rather than trying to maneuver the camera aperture for the cell phone into the eyepiece. It somehow directly plugs into the cell phone. Or maybe it's just a bracket that holds the cell phone in exactly the right place. I'm not sure yet. Lots of boxes at least, which is good. Okay, if I'm reading directly from the box here, which would have been nice if they actually would have showed it on Amazon. We have a finder scope, a 2x Barlow lens, the 10mm eyepiece, a 20mm eyepiece, which is kind of nice. I remember from high school and college using telescopes that the eyepieces, gave different magnifications. Smartphone adapter, Bluetooth remote, oh that's nice. A moon filter, and an erect image diagonal. I guess that bridges the lenses together, maybe. Makes it so you can change the angle of it. Full-size backpack, full height tripod. Well, that's nice. So one of the many reasons that I got this telescope was on December 21st, there's going to be an alignment of Saturn and Jupiter in which they almost appear as if they're one planet. This is a very rare alignment that happens, I think they said the last time was in the 16th century. It may not happen for another 80 years. So I want to be able to view that when it happens on the 18th, and I'm going to start observing even on this date. And, see what I can see, and everything's already in the backpack. That's nice. Manual, which I'll definitely have to read. It doesn't zip all the way down, but it's okay. What do we got here? Oh, this looks like the cell phone bracket. Well, I'll reserve judgment, but this might be just more gimmicky than anything, but we'll see. There's instructions with the cell phone bracket. That's good. Oh, it is made of high quality metal, that part of it. Wow, even this part I think is, well, it's hard plastic, which is, looks like it's made in of good quality. Except that always makes me nervous when I see one of these signs right here. Made in China. But I'll reserve judgment until I actually use the item. Unfortunately, what is it made in China nowadays? And that's one of the lenses. Not sure which one, if that's the 10 or 20 millimeter. That's the 10 millimeter. And that's nice that it's in some little compartment like that so it doesn't get dust or doesn't get scratched. Very nice. Celestron. I approve of that, definitely. And that's the 20 millimeter. Oh look, it's Clyde the Overlord. He's walking through. This is the 2x Barlow lens. I can get it out of the consumer proof packaging. Okay, 2x Barlow lens. Not exactly sure what that does. Maybe it just magnifies 2 times, not sure. Have to read up on that. Oh, here's the, whoops, something to wipe the lens off so it doesn't scratch. Not sure what it's called. Special lens cleaner rag. And comes with battery. And this is the remote. I wonder if that remotely lets you take a photograph. Not sure what the remote does. There's the viewfinder. Let you know what direction you're pointing in at least. Okay, this is, had to look up what it was exactly called. This is the erect image something. This is the erect image diagonal. All these pieces seem to be made of very good quality plastic and metal. Oh, that's the moon filter. Guess the moon's so bright we need a filter on it. And there's the tripod. which is a fairly nice tripod. I don't imagine it's going to have to carry a lot of weight. This doesn't look like it's a very big telescope. A very heavy one. And that's the telescope itself. Ooh. This is very nice for a beginner telescope. Oh, that's nice. Very nice play in that piece. I like that lens cap on the back. Well, lens cap like device. Oh, and that's the cap. That's the very front of it. That's nice. Very nice. Well, it looks like of pretty good quality. I am impressed. So, this has been the unboxing, and as soon as I read the instructions and get the telescope together, maybe I'll go out and do some stargazing. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And just remember, I'm just a guy. If I can do this, so can you. And this has been our unboxing video, with Clyde the Overlord sneaking through. Come here, Clyde, see my new telescope? Oh, you don't like boxes. I'm sorry, I'm not going to put you in the box. I won't put you in the box. What do you think, Clyde? Any opinions on the telescope? No, it's not a death ray. No death rays for you. We've already been through this. No death rays for you. It does not smell like a death ray. It is not a death ray. No death rays. No, again.